Hello, this is Father Frank, one of your oldest confreres. I think, right now, the seventh eldest of the confreres in the province. We are now in the third week of Advent, and during this time, the invitation of the church is to come and meet Jesus, because Jesus is coming among us. We are celebrating His becoming one of us, the incarnation. And that is really the reason why not only the church is inviting us all, but also it's an opportunity for us, especially, particularly the ACM, inviting all those who have passed through the Vincentian seminaries, so that we can get together and be able to relish memories of the past, memories of our being together when we were seminarians, and at the same time trying to again recall, especially the spirit of Saint Vincent de Paul, which is supposed to be living among us, which is supposed to be blooming, especially all these years since we have left the seminary, so that we can continue to introduce this Christ not only to ourselves but to other people, especially the poor. So, especially and in particular, we invite you, the alumni of the Congregation of the Mission, to come together on January 25, 2026, here in Vincentian Mission House, so that we can again recall the foundation of our congregation. So, we expect you to come on January 25. However, even before that, we usually come together once a month here in the Vincentian Mission House for sharing, for our life, for also inspiring one another, especially in living up to our Christian life and Vincentian lifestyle.